Okay, Wendy, have you ever had the occasion to come out from a shopping center, grocery store, restaurant, whatever, and found that someone dinged or dented your vehicle?
Yes.
How did it make you feel?
Like shit, because I gotta show my husband and he's gonna be bitching.
So, okay, so this made you mad. By the way, did you look into how much it would cost to get that fixed?
No.
You know, nobody ever does. They're about 50 or 60 bucks for the smaller ones, up to 150 for the bigger ones. However, Wendy, you did end up paying for those dings and dents. You know how?
Hold on, I ended up paying for them because I went shopping? I don't know.
No. When you traded or sold a car, anytime you do that, someone's going to deduct from the value of that vehicle for any dings and dents you have.
Oh,
Okay?
it's interesting.
So if you had 10 of them, they might have deducted $500 or $600 or $700 from the value of your vehicle. You'll be glad to know the vehicle you're looking at here at Sarah comes with paintless dent repair, which means we will fix an unlimited number of those dings and dents for you during the first 6 months of ownership. And by the way, you can always extend that coverage out to 5 years.
Oh, great.
Okay, so this is how you need to talk to your customer. Now,
I'm just curious. So this Motor Trend comes with 6, but they can actually buy 5 years, right?
yeah, Joe or any of the other finance
Oh,
people can extend the
good.
coverage out to 5 years.
Because it sounds like great coverage, so why would you not?
Well, it is. In fact, now that I've got you here, now that you're sort of on a roll, Wendy, have you ever scraped one of your alloy wheels on a curb? This happens most frequently going through fast food restaurants or bank drive-thrus?
Yes, I have.
Okay,
But never enough to where we had to get it fixed.
but, well, you scraped them, you just didn't get them fixed, right?
No, my husband would have told me they needed to be fixed.